Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to disable screen on this device. So you have the button display here. You can switch your screen with this button here, but you can also switch your screen, for example, when you are recording starts, and you can switch your screen even in the recording mode. And as you can see, now our screen is off, but recording is still on. If it's light in here, and that's how it's done. Use this button display to switch your screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.